Come test drive the 2015 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, remote power door locks, power windows, trip computer, airbags. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.